like on video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the PM10
This
inlet?
is the PM10 inlet. And so if you tap it on the table, it'll come apart, and you could clean this spike in the center.
With like an alcohol wipe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this hole in the center here on the mating part. And then to reassemble it, you just press it back in and you should feel it click, so that like that O-ring around the outside seals. Same with the PM 2.5 inlet. You can tap it on the table and it the insert will come out, and then you can clean out the cyclone cone.
Cyclone cone, okay.
In there in the center.
I think we have like a Q-tip for that.
Yeah,
maybe?
with like a Q-tip.
Okay.
And then you can also clean out the base of the cyclone here, this inner chamber here. And then if you have like one of the pointy Q-tips,
yeah, we'll send some of those.
You can clean the cyclone inlet hole there.
Okay.
Yeah. And then same thing to reassemble this. You press it back in. You should feel it sort of click in, and then it's sealed around the outside there. But we've provided this extension cable, because this cable's short, so that it fits in the box.
Okay.
So you can just attach the extension cable like this. We're going to turn it on before we connect it to the computer. So turn it on. So it's lit up now. Just going to plug it into a USB port. It's going to come up on the computer as a drive here. This is it, the DIS L4 IoT.
Okay.
If it's on, there should be like 1 megabyte of space. If it's off, if the box is off, it'll come up, but like there won't be enough space on the drive to actually drop the firmware.
Okay.
So I'm just going to take this firmware bin file from today and drag and drop it. And now the firmware is updated.
Nice.
Just start to screw these in.
Uh-huh.
And then you would line it up with the big holes here and drop it down.
Okay.
And then get the 3/8 inch wrench.
Oh, those are ratcheting too?
Yeah.
Fancy.
And tighten them down.
Okay, nice.
So that it's I'm just gonna put this one so that it's secured to the bracket. But I'm not
Loosening the bracket.
Yeah, loosening the bracket.
Okay.
So that this can slide in like that. It's actually better to do this part before you install the box here.
Okay.
Because it's possible to install it like this. It's just you have more room to get the wrench in if you install the sunshade first. Just insert this there and then turn it clockwise to tighten it.
Okay.
And then, if you want, depending on how you would like to mount them, you can use these faux lace straps to secure the brick to the mounting bracket. You see, like.
Yeah, nice.
So go like that, or something, depending on you know, wherever it fits, depending on how you have the bracket mounted.
Right.
But you can just tighten this down. And that will hold this here over the inlet to check the flow rate.
Sweet.
So you don't have to take the inlet off anymore
Okay.
to check the flow rate. This will, and this also has this interface like the tool, so you can use this to also install or remove the inlets. So you'll also be able to see, like, if your flow rate's a little low, you can try to tighten it a little bit while.
Okay, measuring the flow here.
Yeah, so once your monitor has started sampling, if you want to check the flow rate of your filter samples, you can put this adapter over the inlet, like that. It'll snap on.
And it should be at 2 liters a minute.
Yeah, and it should be at 2 liters per minute.
It's pretty dead on. And you were saying that to make sure, or if you have a leak perhaps, or if it's not high enough, you can try to screw it on tighter.
Yeah, if you're measuring a flow rate here that's too low, you can try using the calibration adapter, turning it to sort of tighten the inlet. It interfaces with the inlet tightening teeth, and so you can try turning it clockwise a little bit to tighten your inlet up. You can check that the it's actually installed, sealed around the inlet.
Nice.